So before we do the bed, key thing, you want to make sure that the belt's not fixed in anywhere, because that will obviously prevent it releasing. To release the bed, push that down, you'll hear it clunk. Get your hand sort of behind the seat or underneath it and just give it a bit of a pull. Some of them are a bit stiffer than others, but they will go, they just need a little bit of encouragement. When you get to about here, you can just push on this middle bit, and voila, there you go, that's your bed. When it comes to putting the the bed back up again, we're doing the opposite of what we just did. So push that down, you'll hear that release. You can see it's already started to pop up anyway, but if you need to put a bit of support into it, grab around the middle where the hinge is, pull that up as you're pushing against it with your knee, and the combination of the two, nice and easy, and then just clunk it in. You'll know it's fixed in because you get that real mechanical kind of click. So I'll show you again. You can feel that's solid and it's fixed in. This is where it fixes in, that's the point where it's been crash tested. That's where it's the most secure, so it's really important that we make sure that that's in if you've got passengers.